and a lot of people looking ahead toward 2020. And what can you do to really make a difference in your health?
Absolutely. And Dr. Vince Hassel joining us here with another incredible showing of what can happen if you follow a program that can help you guaranteed to lose weight. And I was sharing with the doctor during the break, there's a story we're going to get to our headlines talking about a new study coming out saying in about 10 years, every adult American is going to have some form of obesity. And you were saying we're already almost there.
You're shaking your head when you hear this.
It's sad because it's terrible. It's sad, and it's because of the standard American diet and the way people are choosing to feed their body and serve their body, and it creates disease inside your body. And when your body has this inflammatory nutrition in your system, your body's going to hang on to fat to save your life, and that's what's going on. Is your body's working really hard on the inside of your body, and it's creating chronic disease. And it's terrible. It's
now, you think that over the years, when people are learning about, eating healthier is better for you, it would you would have a wider separation. But it seems in the past couple of years, it's going the other way. It's going the wrong way.
There's a big battle because you got big food and the marketing that they do and what they put on labels and things that say that they're healthy and they're not healthy and they're chocked full of sugar and all kinds of toxic stuff for your body. But people don't know. They're just trusting the label and the way they shop, and it's really, you got to eat real foods. It's called proteins, vegetables,
I was going to say, so
berries.
doctor, what should we be eating?
Things that don't have labeled with ingredients. An apple. It doesn't have a label with ingredients, but everything else in the store.
I like that way of thinking about it, yeah.
So that the outside aisles of the grocery store, you've heard that before.
Right.
Is that true?
Oh, absolutely.
Really?
Because that's what God made for our body, what our cells expect and require, not processed foods, box foods, foods that someone's touched and changed and put bad stuff in it and then market to you that it's good stuff, and you buy it and eat it, and it makes you sick.
And that's what goes along with this diet. And I hate calling it a diet because it's a way of life.
It's a way of life. It's a lifestyle. It's not a diet. And what happens is we age and we have stress. Have you ever heard that word before? Stress?
Yeah, I have.
Have you guys heard that in 2019, stress? So it creates disbalances within the body. So I've had two different people, just yesterday, two different people in the office in tears because they are exercising and eating the right foods and doing the right thing, and they're in tears because they're not losing weight. And there's a reason behind why they're not losing weight, and my program corrects that. And it's about the endocrine system and resetting and rebalancing your adrenal glands and your thyroid, hypothalamus, pituitary, sciencey stuff, but that's what you need to do to get your body reset and back on track so you lose the weight, and the weight comes off fast. But the weight loss to me is a side effect of the program because we're healing your body and allowing it a chance to reset and rebalance.
Now, you see, you have to push the reset button. How long does it take for that to kick in and take effect?
It starts to take effect right away, and it happens quick. I got people that are type 2 diabetic that are working with their primary physician or their endocrinologist to get off their blood sugar medication, their insulin and metformin by week 1, the end of week 1. These people are type 2 diabetics that are getting off their medication by the end of week 1 on my program. High blood pressure goes away. High cholesterol goes away. Your chronic fatigue goes away because you're addressing the cause and resetting your body with this program and the whole plan of what it does. It's not just about waking up on January 2nd and eating yummy, healthy meals. And I'm going to exercise. It's way more than that, because if your body's stuck in a sick state and the endocrine system's disbalanced, you're going to struggle and you're going to quit. And you're going to be frustrated. And my program addresses the cause and resets the whole body with the program to recapture your health.
So you're basically treading water unless you do something to correct that.
Because I know that there's a lot of people out there that are exercising and eating right foods, and they're frustrating because they don't know why they're losing their weight.
Right.
And I know that because there was 2 of them in my office in tears yesterday because that's what they're doing. They're like, I don't understand. And I said, I do understand, and I can help you.
There you go. Well, someone very quickly understood and is celebrating a huge success, and that is Melissa, who is joining us here today.
Hi.
You just finished the program, so take us through the emotion and kind of the why. Why did you want to do Dr. Hassel's program?
My why was I wanted to feel better. I actually went to see him a year ago, and I didn't do it. I thought about it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to try, because I'd failed so many other programs. I'd lose a little bit of weight, I'd gain it back, and I didn't really understand, and I wasn't ready. I went to him so I did the 42-day program.
Yep.
I finished last Friday. I lost 30 pounds.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Yeah, but like he said, that was just a bonus. The other things that I gained was feeling better, sleeping better, waking up earlier without my alarm, I didn't need my coffee in the morning. I like coffee, but I didn't need it. I'd find myself pouring it, and then it would just sit there because I had so much energy.
Now, how long did it take for you to finally feel the effects of your changing in your lifestyle?
After a week, I started feeling better.
A week?
A week.
And how difficult was it for those first couple of days?
I mean, the first couple days were hard because your body is used to other things and your mind is used to. So that was the struggle, was getting your mind to stop thinking that you're hungry or to stop thinking that you need to eat all day long or you need to eat certain things. Once you started eating, like you said, the real food, you know, just the protein, the vegetables, the fruits, your body just felt good. So you didn't want to eat those things anymore because you knew you were starting to feel better.
Wow. So your body was craving the good stuff.
It is. It was. It still is, yes.
It still is. See? So success.
So you hear about the amazing success of just finishing the program. Now, how do we make sure that now becomes a lifestyle change and it continues on?
So that's what other people fear with a weight loss program or a diet is like, oh, people want to watch Melissa. They'll watch her and be like, oh, let's see if she puts the weight back on.
Right.
Well, right. If you go back to eating the crappy foods, your body's going to save your life on the inside again and it's going to create inflammation, systemic inflammation. It's going to store fat because that's what the body does because it's intelligent and brilliant and it's saving your life. So when you develop these habits and rituals through the 42-day program of eating real foods, during your work week, let's still eat the real foods. And then on the weekends, when you want to socialize and celebrate life with your friends, go out and let loose a little bit, but then get back to the real foods, and now you're engaging back into exercise and drinking your water, and your body will reset.
So you have a game plan for when that program is
complete.
complete.
Game plan. I don't lose them or ditch them after 42 days. I'm here to help you recapture your health. I want you to be healthy. I want you to live longer and stronger and have energy and have clarity, and that's what it's supposed to be about.
Absolutely. Okay, so hopefully we've intrigued a lot of people out there, especially as we are heading into 2020, and that's when a lot of people are thinking, what can I do for myself to be a healthier person? How can they do so? Can they jump on board now? Do they wait?
Yep.
What's your recommendation?
It's an individual program, so I take each one of you through the program individually. I've got lots of people that I'm taking care of, but it's individual, me and you, as I take you through the program. So you could start tomorrow. You could call me today. They can get a hold of me with call or text 423-8396. We do a dinner with the doc as well every other Monday. The next one, I believe, is December 30th is a Monday, I think, if you guys check your calendar. And you can RSVP for that by texting the same phone number. Again, I individually take you through the program. So if you're ready, I'm way ready to help you. If you're not ready at the time, keep me in mind. I'll help you when you are ready.
Absolutely. All right. So we encourage you to have dinner with the doc, get the information that you need, and check out this incredible website, weightlossin2020.com, and see if this can be your key to finding a brand new you in the new year. Pretty amazing. Melissa, thank you for sharing your story and your experiences. It does work, and there is proof right here
it's amazing.
every single time. Thank you so much.